Guys, ever feel like your hard work is about count just in the payoff? You have exploited a different strategy but haven't seen the results if these are these videos for you. I introduced the method that changed everything for me and can shift your direction too. So let's go with me with this strategy right now. I've got a special surprise just for you. Watch in the entire video and be astonished by what is coming. Alright? Today we're gonna use three indicators, guys. Awesome oscillator, envelopes, and Aroon. Okay, let's get to favorites, please. For envelopes, we're gonna use 29002, simple movement and close, right? The style is up to you guys. I don't like to use the background, so I'm gonna select that option. For Aroon, we're gonna use 20 on period, okay? The style, white and red for this, 3 on pixel. Awesome oscillator, 4 and 30, okay? And that's color, that's normal. All this detail will be discussed in detail with step will be described, guys, okay? Glass candles, 10 seconds on time frame. For $8, we're gonna start with 25 and M1 expiration time, okay? As a result, this strategy will be perfectly adapted to specific market condition. So let's find a good opportunity. All right, guys, for those that get interest for link registers on the platform, the box option, that will be in the video description, right? That's normal. Now, let's take a closer look at the method, guys. First of all, I look at the awesome oscillator of discarded candles. Okay, in this case, it shows strong buying quarterly for large green candles on that in the downward direction. After that, okay, I also observe the red and white lines for the Aroon indicators just crossing each other. Does it have intersect on that? It's this combination with the signal of the awesome oscillator indicator should intersect with each other, as I said. Okay, the combination of these two indicators is strong signal for us. I think everything is going so perfectly good. All right, you can see that this candles is just for around for the green line for the envelopes right here, and respecting this for us. And look at that, our first one, man, for $8.71 at the total my bankroll. Let's go. Okay, the next thing I look for in this case with the envelopes indicator is the upper green line or the tower yellow line. We have the both, okay? If I see the candle says the upper green line, this is my first indication that the upward trend may continue. That's a strong one. But however, the signals alone is not enough to open a position at this time. So we got the other indicators. I check other indicators such as awesome oscillator and the Aroon. Okay. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And I want to make sure that also give me the Aroon signal, as you can see the intersects on the line with the white and red one, and with 10 seconds on the time frame. Okay, regardless of the settings, I said that I think everything is going in perfect way and excellent. And look at that, we got a good one and uptrend happening right here, right now. No chance to get a loss on this. A record sold conviction profit, guys. This is $94 in the total. And remember, this is just one of the strategies that take our journey to the next level in this market. Become professional, require mastering the most profit strategy, but don't worry, I've prepared just a little space of content that will be the key to our growth. Alright guys, the 30 points similar to the previous one, but here I want to expand out. I use 10 seconds candles. Okay, one of the important details is my strategy, how I use the parameters of the indicators and choose the time frame to get maximum accuracy of the effect sense. Okay, but after a lot of testing the practice, I was convinced that work with this indicator 10 seconds in candle and settings the trend duration at 1 minute on expiration time. That's ideal for this method. In such case, this indicator reacts fast to the current trend and then provided. They provide me with a lot of more creative signals of that. Okay, it's good for whatever moment it's on the platform. Not so often, but even with such moments at open position with this metal, but I have strong signal on that is happening right now. Okay. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. The candle starts on the yellow lines and just pass it through for that, and about the envelopes. Okay? And look at that. $130 the total, 76 on profits. Okay? And then there's this slight correction of the red candles, guys. But as you can see, things going well. We just got this one, right? So it's a down direction, and I entered to the trade in the down direction. I have a good moment because the red candle touched the red line, as I said. Okay, and that is very good, guys. As you can see, I have made a convincing profit again, and this is great. Okay, in today's video, I tried to explain the table pros and the indicators that play a key role in this method. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and most importantly, presented useful information about trading on that. I wish you a successful trading day and see you in the next video, guys. Thanks so much for that. Just remember, actually right now, I wish you good profits, wish you good operations, alright? And I want to see you in the next live session, in the next video. Please just comment that. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye. See you around. Bye.